Namaskaram. Shashanka Bhujangasana is a transitory set that begin and end with Shashankasana while transiting into Bhujangasana. To begin with, sit in Vajrasana. Take a couple of breaths. As you inhale, raise on knee, and through exhale, take up Marjaryasana. Inhale and then exhale into Shashankasana. Concentrate on Muladhara or Manipura Chakra. Shashankasana regulates the adrenal gland, it relieves constipation, and it is very useful for women with underdeveloped pelvis. It is also effective against general sexual disorders. Now, without displacing the palms and feet, slide forward and then upwards into Bhujangasana. Stay for a few seconds here. Bhujangasana tones up abdominal organs. It can also relocate slipped disc. It can take care of spine, and it is highly useful for women where the ovaries and uterus get stoned up. It can also eliminate a few female sexual disorders like amenorrhea and dysmenorrhea. Now from Bhujangasana, slide back into Shashankasana. Sliding could be difficult for beginners. The feet and the palms must not be dislocated. Let's do it again. Slide forward and upward into Bhujangasana and then slide back into Shashankasana. Now let me demonstrate another variation of Bhujangasana. Lifting only up to the navel position. This is a variation. Now slowly slide back into Shashankasana. For the beginners who find difficulty in the slide through, can follow an easy transit where from Shashankasana one can enter Bhujangasana through Marjaryasana. Again from Bhujanga into Shashankasana through Marjaryasana. Once mastery over this easy transit is acquired, then go for the slide through. But remember, palms and feet must be intact with the flow. They should not get dislocated. Slowly come back into Vajrasana. Relax. Thank you.